Hello, everybody, and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Playboy Trading, and we welcome you once more. Today, we're going to show you two trades that we took, one on GBPUSD, another on USDCAD, I think. They were profitable trades, and we will show you the screenshots right here. So, this is GBPUSD. This is what it looks like. This was the trade when we took it this morning, and then this is the outcome of the trade. I want to show you how I took this trade, why I took it, the mindset I have, and the thought process I usually maintain before I take trades. This is the 5 minute time frame. This is where I take my entries from. This is where I do my structural analysis. This is where I do, most of the heavy lifting, because I'm a day trader actually. But we don't start from here. We have to start from the higher time frame. And for that, I use the 1 hour time frame. First of all, allow me to clear my charts. We're going to start from the higher time frame. Like I said, the 1 hour time frame. And what I like to do when I come to this time frame is I like to look at what direction is price headed. Obviously, if you look at this chart, it is clear that market has been on a downtrend for quite some time, and it has continued to be on a downtrend, and it will continue to be on a downtrend unless a change of structure is identified, or unless a break of structure to the upside happens. But for now, we are still downsided, we are still sell-sided on this market, and we are only going to be looking for sales. So GBPUSD, let's jump right in. First things first, my trend line. Sometimes I don't use the trend line. I just mark out structural tops, highs, and lows. That is if the trend is not clear. Next, I want to zoom in. as of yesterday, this was the price action we had. Everything on this side of the market had not existed as of yesterday. So this is our trade side. This square is our trade section. But when we came to the chart this morning, after my trend line, I used my rectangle tool to find out, to mark out a key level. Very simple basics here. You see, I'm not looking for any SOTs, any TTTs, YYYs, whatever. Basic support resistance, trend lines, breakouts, simple trading techniques that will make you win in the long run. So now that we have this, let me just get rid of this right here, get rid of this right here. I have my key level and I have my trend line. Now what I do, I go to, now if you look closely, right, like I said, this part of the chart had not existed previously. So I'm going to just mark that out. This part of the chart had not existed previously. All we had as of this morning was just this section like so here, right? Let me give it a different coloring so it will be different. Exactly. So this was all we had as of this morning. This section did not exist. So now we're going to the lower time frame. For me, that's the 5 minutes. What I notice from looking at this is price seems to be moving up, right? And if you were to pull a trend line from here, you will notice, yeah, price seems to be moving up. But looking at it objectively, you will notice that price is struggling right here. Price is having a hard time pushing up. There is not enough momentum, there's not enough volatility, there's not enough strength for price to push very high. So what we are seeing is this begging structure of price, literally beg its way up, right? And that would put you in a mindset of, oh, if price is begging to the buy side, the likelihood of sell side is very, very glaring. Now, like I said, this is a 5 minute time frame. Nothing is certain, nothing is confirmed within this green box. So we're going to have to mark out structure and see what exactly this begging is all about. So this is the high and lows of this morning. Now, if I zoom into this chart, like I said, when you look at this chart properly, you notice that price had given us highs, lows. But at this point here, what we see, it seemed like price broke out of structure here. Seemed like price broke out of structure and then broke back in. This is simple case of a rejection. Now, ordinarily, this rejection does not really tell us anything per se. This is still the lowest point in price as of right now. So nothing is certain. Price might as well do something as simple as, oh, I pull back and then keep going up, right? So because we see a rejection does not automatically mean that we are going to be switching biases. Don't forget, our sell side bias came from the 1 hour time frame. So based off of the 1 hour time frame, we had to go short. Okay. Now, with this break of structure that occurred at this point, we now have our retest, which is at this point right here. This is our retest point. Now, you can, nothing is wrong, right? Like what I did this morning, very simple. I took my short position from here, right? It was a very simple setup. From here, stop loss right here. And then I went for my usual 1, 2, 3 risk to reward, right? 1, 2, 3. This was a very simple trade. It wasn't going too far. My target was right here. Nothing too fancy. I'm not going to tell you I caught the whole of this move. Obviously, that would be a lie. I did not take the whole of the move, but I took something from the market, and this was it. Simple 1, 2, 3. That was all I had on Addict. My very simple trading strategy, very simple ideology. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, share, invite your friends. Let us grow together in this channel. My name is Frederick, but I work here at Playboy, and I thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.